Buongiorno, welcome back to our sessions. I've noticed the video a little bit grainy. I think it's because it's dark and I'm a little bit in the dark to keep the room cooler because it's quite hot at the moment. A brief session today again, but before that, let me remind you to like, subscribe to my videos and also share them if you think that somebody may benefit from them. Let's go quickly to a little something that I've prepared on my little document. So today we're going to talk about how to say I drove, or I drive to a place, walk to a place, I flew to wherever, I swam or I cycled to. So all these in English, when you are going somewhere with a certain means of transport, basically, you use the verb. So taking the first example, if you're going in general with a car, then you say, I drive to a certain place. If you're going on foot, you say you walk to a place. So all these driving and walking and flying and swimming and cycling, in Italian, we just say we go to a certain place by the means of transport. So instead of all this driving and walking, as I said, and flying, etc., also it makes it easier to remember just one verb, which you probably know already, is to go. Go to, and then whichever place you want to, you need to talk about. By, and then you add the means of transport. So here I've written the sentence in Italian. Let's take the first example, like I drive to work, but no, I drive to work, full stop. In Italian, vado al lavoro in macchina. If you walk to work, vado al lavoro a piedi. Some people probably do fly to work. Vado al lavoro in aereo. Vado al lavoro a nuoto o vado al lavoro in bicicletta. So on one hand, as I said, it is easier because you're only learning one verb, a verb that you probably know already, which is andare, to go. And then it's followed by whichever preposition is correct for the case, the place you're going to, and then you use preposition in for the means of transport. So in, which makes it again very easy because you can say in macchina, in aereo, in treno, in bicicletta. The different ones are a piedi, on foot, or if you are riding on a horse, a cavallo. For the other means of transport, a little bit more common probably. You just use in, as I said, just in, exactly like by in English. So just one word, quite easy then. Go to whichever place by whichever means of transport. So you can't really say in Italian, you can say ho volato a Milano, unless you have wings or I don't know, you do your own flying by yourself. Or all the other, as I said, driving, which is guidare, cycling, which is, again, is andare in bicicletta. Some we don't necessarily even have as verbs. So this is a very little useful, hopefully, a little thing to learn. So next time, just one verb, the place you're going to with the correct preposition would be good as well. And then preposition in followed by the means of transport. And that is it for today. Let me remind you that I would really like to have questions from you. So please do leave a comment or a question I can answer to. And I would be very happy to cover any topic that you are finding difficulty in, or even something that is not very clear, or you haven't done yet, but you'd like to have a little idea of how it works. I will see you on our next session. Arrivederci, ciao.